thinks he has to lead alone. Well, because of his father had to. He doesn't realize the strength you have together. Do you still believe in him?
Of course, I wish he did, but he thinks he's nothing without Toothless.
Then help him realize the truth. That was that was Valka and Astrid. And now we'll be doing Astrid and Hiccup. Well, you're right. You're back to where you started. But I was the first to believe in you. And I watched you doubt whether you worth ever since. But you know what? I am the person that I am today because of you. I never told you that, but it's true. You're the bravest, most stubborn, most determined knucklehead I know. Toothless didn't give you that hiccup. He just made it easier. And now it's gonna be a lot harder. So, what are you gonna do about it? Probably something stupid. That's the hiccup I know. Shoot up, gang. We're going to get them back. That was my act. Thank you.